Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're going to look at a couple of beers. It is that time of year. Oktoberfest is right about now, middle of September till the first week of October. Okay. Generally speaking, in Munich, which is kind of the home of Oktoberfest, it's canceled this year, but in your own home,
okay,
you can still celebrate.
Okay, cool.
So we picked up a couple German beers. What have you got there, Jamie?
I have a wheat beer from Erdinger.
Okay, and I have a Pilsner, also a German beer called Bitburger.
Cool.
Why don't we try yours first?
All right, let's give this one a go.
All right. Obviously, you can buy wheat beers that are brewed here in Canada. This one's not as cloudy as like what's that one you drink? The blue.
Yeah, not quite
Moon
the
or
same.
something like that. Ooh, man. I gotta drink all of it before I try this one.
Well, okay.
That's
Sorry,
good.
I might have gone a little hard.
All right, well, let's give this a shot. The wheat beer.
That's pretty good.
Very good
I
beer.
could drink quite a bit of that.
Definitely a typical wheat sort of beer. It's got a bit of citrus aftertaste there at the end of it.
I figure I have a couple more glasses for you.
Okay. That's a good beer. And you can just buy these locally. I mean, and you can buy them by singles too, which is kind of nice.
It's nice. We went into Sobeys in Stonebridge and Saskatoon, and they had quite a large selection of just singles. So test them out.
This is a Pilsner beer, Bitburger. It is actually one of the best-selling beers in Germany, and this would be like the Budweiser of German beer. Very common. Pilsners typically are known for being kind of a clear beer. In Germany, you get a bit more of a bitter taste to it. A Belgian Pilsner would have a bit more of a sweet taste, like in Dutch. A Dutch beer would be like a Heineken or a Stella in Belgium. They would be a little bit sweeter than these. So these have a bit more of a bitter taste to it. So let's give this a shot. And these two you can buy by the singles.
I'm gonna try this one again.
All right. If only you could have put your lederhosen on this year, Jamie.
Not this year.
Okay. Not enough festive.
Definitely more crisp, clear beer.
Yep. Traditional sort of Pilsner style. And give that a shot.
Prost.
Prost. And when you say Prost, you're supposed to look at the person in the eye when you say it. Prost.
Yeah, that's not my jam. It's okay. I'll go with
definitely this has got more a body to it.
Yeah.
The wheat beer, and this definitely has a more hoppy, bitter finish to the end of it. If you like Pilsners, like real Pilsners from Czech or Belgium or Holland beers, you'd probably like this.
all right. I'm just gonna,
If you're used to drinking Pilsner that you can pick up here in Saskatchewan, this wouldn't be the same. Slightly different. Anyway, either way,
I found mine.
happy Oktoberfest, everyone.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Try it out.